Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to create double exposure effect in Canva. Let's get started. First, you need to add an image. I already have an image. Add to the image on the canvas and then increase its size. Next, add an image of a person standing on top of mountain to the canvas. Then, click on the flip option and select Flip Horizontal to rotate the image. After that, click on the canvas image, go to the Apps option, search for the Easy Reflection app, and open it. Here, click on Create Reflection. Next, position the image on the left side. Increase the offset to 82% and set the opacity to 100%. Then, click Add to Design and increase the size. Afterward, move the first image to the right side. Then, click on the background, go to the color options, and choose any color. I selected a linear gradient color. Then, click on the text option. First, add a text box to the canvas and type Dream. Then increase the size. Next, add another text and type Big. Then increase the size. Click on the Canvas Sans font, search for the Scratch font, and select it to change the text style to Scratch. This is our final image. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon.